Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the international satellite industry. In this week's programme, Carrie has the news and Tricia looks at the latest launch developments. But first, responding to Giovanna, the third category cyclone which swept Madagascar Island this week, Télécom Sans Frontières is dispatching an emergency team from its international headquarters. The team will take with them all the satellite equipment necessary to establish 6 crisis centres for humanitarian workers and to open 12 phone lines for affected population, including broadband data transmission, itinerant telecommunications centre and satellite phone lines. Local telecom operators, with whom TSF is in constant relation, have signalled that more than 200 telecommunication stations are already out of order. Now here's Carrie with the news headlines.
ViaSat Satellite Networks has signed an agreement with O3b Networks for the development and supply of Ka-band infrastructure for O3b's ViaSat services. The agreement between the two parties ensures a range of hub, terminal and network management systems will be available to O3b customers for use on the fleet upon launch. The solution developed by ViaSat for O3b is based on the SkyEdge 2 platform, which includes support for Ka-band and a unified system for SCPC and MFTDMA on the same terminal. ViaSat's solution is further customised for cellular backhaul and high-end enterprise ViaSat solutions on the O3b network, supporting upload and download data rates of over 20 megabits per second. ViaSat will also be offering O3b customers deployment and turnkey ground terminal solutions based on third-party equipment. ViaSat's solution will be available for O3b's service launch in mid-2013 and pre-launch orders for terminals are being accepted. Telesat is pleased to announce that ViaSat 1, a powerful Ka-band satellite which is significantly expanding the quality and availability of high-speed broadband for rural Canadians, has begun commercial service. The newest addition to Telesat's global fleet, ViaSat 1, is designed to provide more than 100 gigabits per second throughput, making it among the highest capacity satellites ever deployed. Manufactured by Space Systems Loral using their proven 1300 platform, ViaSat 1 operates at 115.1 degrees west longitude, using 9 Ka-band spot beams over Canada and 63 over the United States. Telesat owns the 9 Canadian beams on ViaSat 1 and has entered into a 15-year service agreement with ExploreNet Communications to make use of this capacity.
Now here's Tricia with the latest launch developments.
On Monday, ESA successfully launched the first Vega rocket from the Guiana Space Centre, putting 2 scientific satellites and 7 picosatellites into orbit. Vega has been designed to launch payloads of up to 1,500 kilograms at an altitude of 700 kilometres. This means that Europe now has a new vehicle to launch all its scientific and institutional missions. After the success of the maiden launch, Arianespace will be in charge of the commercialisation and exploitation of the Vega launcher. With Ariane 5, Soyuz and now Vega all operating from the Space Centre, Arianespace is the only launch service and solutions company that can place any payload into any orbit, including missions to the ISS. Even before this first launch, Arianespace and ESA has signed the first commercial launch service and solutions contract for the European Union's launch of Sentinel-2 and Sentinel-3 spacecraft on Vega. SES-4, the largest and most powerful in the group of SES satellites, built by Space Systems Loral, was successfully launched by a Proton-M rocket on Tuesday from the Baikonur Space Centre in Kazakhstan after a series of delays caused by technical problems. The blast-off was the 70th commercial launch of a Proton carrier rocket since 1995 under contracts concluded by International Launch Services. The SES-4 is designed to provide various satellite services to customers in the Middle East, Europe, Africa and Latin America. Equipped with 52 C-band and 72 Ku-band transponders, the 5.8-tonne satellite has a lifespan of 15 years. The SES-4 will be deployed over the Atlantic Ocean region, enabling the incumbent NSS-7 satellite to move to a new orbital position.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.